Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make your very own marble mesh. This is my second time making it, because my first one was a test to see if I could actually really make this video. The original marble mesh would be really hard to make. Some people have been able to make them, but since I'm using materials from home, it's quite hard. So I hope you really enjoy this video, and I would definitely recommend you to make this marble mesh. Okay. So the materials you'll need will be, you will need a sock. The best socks that you can use are the dance ones because they're more flexible. And it'd be actually better if you just got one colour. I would recommend black, white, or grey. I have a grey one, as you can see here. If you have patterns on your sock, it's not as good. So definitely get one of the colours I just suggested and the type of sock. Okay, so other things you will need. Netting for the end part. I mean, if you don't have any netting, that's okay. This is kind of like an optional thing. I mean, the original marble mesh had netting, and that was basically what it was, and just a marble. But, you know, with netting, it's actually quite hard to put on your own gear yourself. Marble mesh. So, yeah, you can have it if you like, but don't feel pressured to get net. But if you do have one, make sure the holes are not too big, and the actual net overall isn't too small. Okay. Other things you'll need will be tape, of course, a clip binder. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. If you don't have one of these, it's absolutely okay. This is optional. You'll need just one of these types of hair ties. If you don't have one of these and you're a boy, then yeah, I don't even know why you're watching this video, but okay. Permanent marker. This is very optional. I only used it once, just mark at a point on my marble mesh, but you don't really need it. Same with this ruler. Also very optional. I didn't even use it at all when I was making my first marble mesh, but you know, use it again or something, I don't know. Scissors, colored paper. I would definitely recommend this. It just makes your marble mesh look so much better. So, if it's folded and a little bit ruined or something, it's fine because you're going to cut it anyway. The most important part, or maybe, is this plastic bag. Okay, you have got to have it. You have to have it, obviously you can't make a marble mesh, okay? One of these Ziploc ones are okay, but just have to have a Ziploc because you're not using it. Coloured tape or textured tape. I'm using this sparkly tape. I think it's really cool and it actually does stick, believe it or not. You don't have to have this, but it definitely makes it better. Yeah, so you can include that if you have it. If you don't, no need to go to the shops, just use coloured paper or something like that. And if you don't have any more coloured paper, then I don't know, just work something out. Paper. You'll be like, oh my god, why use toilet paper in a marble mesh? Who uses that? Just trust me, okay? And last but definitely not least, probably more important than the actual plastic bag, a marble or a pom-pom. The actual marble in the marble mesh. So yeah, definitely have this. If you don't have a marble like most people do not have, I don't know, use a pom-pom because they can definitely do the same thing. Or if you don't have a pom-pom, use something else like, I can't actually think of anything on the spot. But anyway, okay, so now that I've just said all the things that you need, let's get straight on to the tutorial. Okay, all my stuff is set up, so I have a nice clean desk to do this tutorial for you all. First of all, you're going to need your Ziploc bag and your scissors. You're just going to cut about here to the end. out there. So you're basically not going to need like 3/4 of your bag. So I'll show you again from here. Okay, make sure it's the bottom. Alright, let's get cutting. Okay, so finally I'm done cutting. I'm going to just put this part in the bin or I can keep it. I'm just going to keep it. I don't actually know why. Now you're going to have this. Bro, like, how is that going to take some happening? Once again, trust me, I know what I'm doing. Kind of. Now is the part I use my coloured packing paper. Alright, I'm going to move this part out of the way for a second. You're also going to need your scissors. Strip off the end. And yeah, done that, then you can move on to the next step, which is kind of hard, but don't worry, you'll get it eventually. You will not need this anymore. Okay, so first you're going to align it with this. It seems like the paper's a bit too big, so we're going to cut that off. Now's the time that I use my marker. Open it, and then I'm going to put a little line where the paper cuts off. This is going to be hard to write, but hopefully you get it. Okay, I think I have the perfect size. I'm just going to line it up again to see. Alright, that's great. Okay, now you're going to fold it in half. Not like that. Okay, once you've done that, here comes the tricky part. You're going to put the bottom of the bag into this crease here. So it's pretty hard to get in. It should be easy once you like hang of it. Okay, so once it's kind of in there, you're just going to like that. Okay, both sides like that. Right? Okay, once you've done that, you can use your tape and you're going to stick it to the bag. Alright, I'm kind of done. I just have to do these sides. Alright, done. Here comes another tricky part. Probably one of the hardest parts in the marble mesh. So what you're going to get, your paper, you're going to rip a part off. And then you're going to measure it. So you're going to do this. And then see how it cuts off like about there. You're going to use your marker again. And then you're going to cut that part off. Right, I think this is the perfect length. See how it lines up? Alright, now you're going to do the same thing again. Another piece of toilet paper. Then measure it. But don't pause the video here. It's be different. So see how toilet paper comes to about there? You're going to put your other piece of toilet paper there, and instead of doing it in line, instead of doing it like overlapping, you're going to start where the other toilet ends. It's kind of hard to explain, but like that. Okay, so there's a bit hanging off the edge. I'm just going to measure that part. And then it's set. Alright, that is perfect. I'm just going to raise it. Okay. Now that they align in there, you're just going to flip it over and see if they actually do. So of course they're going to be like a tiny bit. If you do see this happening, it's going to make another marker pen line. Beep. I'm going to cut from there. them both evenly, well not really evenly, but you know what I mean. Okay, so once you've done that, you get your bigger piece, or whatever piece, doesn't actually really matter, and you're going to stick it to one side, on the one side. See how it opens like this? You're going to stick it to one side. There. See? So once you've done that, okay, so now I've got one piece done, and it's here as you can see, and I'm going to do my other piece now. Just remember, it has to be stuck to the opposite side. Be stuck there. Alright, I'm done. Now I'm going to just cut off the tops that are hanging off the edge. Alright, now, the next step that you have to do is actually put marble on there. Or pom-pom, whatever thing you have. So, you can see the marble. And when you on the other side. That's really cool. But here comes an important part. Now, I'm going to sticky tape the top. Okay. I sticky tape the top. Now it's actually really cool. That's the best out. Now's the next step. Use tape and I'm basically just going to put it where you put it. Just going to cover the tape. This is how I would do it. Basically, right, and then I just cut off the tape. Right, done. A bit of stick. It's really cool. But you're probably wondering, what materials at the start of the video useful? Materials that you just said would be this, these two, and the netting. Okay, I'll tell you what I thought. All of these things were like travel packs. So if you wanted to bring a marble mesh somewhere, even if it's just a sock, you can use your sock to keep it in. Instead of just putting it in a bag or something, you can easily just get a sock and easily put it back in. It's also better because it keeps the shape. Marble mesh, just keep it flat. Oh, and this is just to close it. This is optional if you want to put it on your marble mesh. So if you do want to put it on your marble mesh, you can do this. I'm just putting it over and then I'm going to stick it to that part. I personally think this is actually very cool. I'm actually going to move it on there. And since my net has this thing at the top, I can actually carry it. Travel case. It's going to be hard. Or you're just going to fold it. Just like that. Not like that. Okay? Then you're going to slip it inside your sock. So as you can see, I've actually put it in there and then I flattened it out so it's not in half anymore. And you can still play with your marble. It's really cool. And since when it has this thing at the top, I can actually carry in its sock now. If you don't have one of these things, I'm going to still do it. My marble mesh extra safe. This thing is going to be locked on. You just got to put it over there and then going to move on to the next step. Okay, that's all sorted, and you're going to just put it over, and it keeps your marble mesh extra safe. Then for this hair tie, even the bottom, which is part of the sock, now put it round and up to the middle. The reason why we started at the bottom is because it's easier, and when you put it up, when you like pull it up here, I don't know how to explain it, but it's easier. Then you can also carry it over. You need to like take it away. You do this. You fold at the bottom and then you can put it over. And then it's on. I just love the orange package and the marble itself. And I would definitely recommend you to try it. Even if it fails, worth a try because you never know. You never like know if you might. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this. Like my videos, share and comment if you can. And yeah, you chance to win a giveaway. What I mean by that is go into my description, you'll find this link, click on it, and then you can enter using any type of Gmail or some, whatever you have within YouTube. And then you've entered my giveaway. It ends at the end of the month, so even if you just spam the giveaway with all your accounts, you're probably more likely to win. So, and the actual gift, I'm not going to say. It's very good though. So I would definitely recommend doing it. Okay. Make sure to subscribe and everything that I just said. If you do it, I'll probably give you 2 prizes. Wait, let's just get off that. Have a great day. Make this album and you'll love it. So see you guys.